step by step how to install rubber gym flooring in this awesome home gym. In this video, we're about to break it down. So what's good? It's Carpet Mike here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, bringing you the tips, tricks, and strategies on all your flooring needs. Oh, that's America right there, baby. But in this video, let's go ahead and get some rubber gym flooring installed. So we got concrete subfloor. We have 4x20 size rolls of rubber gym flooring. Now on this one, we're not going to glue it down. We're going to go ahead and use a double face tape. You can get this in your big box joints. We actually purchased this at the Home Depot. That's where we got the double face tape, not the rubber gym flooring. So we got our first wall, our main wall, lined up, and I'm rolled out a little bit of tape, and I put a little bit of tape down there just to hold it in place so we can kind of make that our set piece. From there, we're going to branch off both ways and go ahead and start installing this. So we got our second piece unrolled. We're taping the seams here and basically just using the double face in between both pieces, halfway and halfway, just like you would do a traditional carpet seam. Once I got it laid out, I'm going to take my time trimming it to that black wall. Trimming to black wall is not easy because it jogs in and out, so you definitely got to take your time, cut slowly so it fits in all the nooks and crannies and gets a nice even tuck to that wall there. Now we got a little more double face tape down, dropping it in place, and we're going to take our time cutting it down. That's all there really is to this. You get a piece set, cut in the sidewalls, line up the next one, get it rolled, get it taped down, cut in the next wall, next piece, next cut. But we got a couple other things in here. We're going to go ahead and show you how to cut to a ceramic tile floor. They got some framing in here they're going to do a little odds and ends with, so we're just cutting to that plank right now. And then down the road, as they change out their doorways and all, we'll come back and install the piece to go ahead and keep all that flowing. But right here, we got to fill piece in and we got to cut directly to the ceramic. So you need a razor sharp blade for this. You're basically going to take the tip of your blade, run it through the rubber gym flooring, and you're just going to run it right along that ceramic tile there. Just slowly trace that down all the way down, and then when it drops into place, it's going to tuck oh so nicely to that. But we're actually going to, once we get it cut, pop it out, and we're going to put some double face tape under that so there's no trip hazards, doesn't kick up anything crazy like that, and it's going to be good to go. Ooh, look at that. That's so nice right there. Now we got that in place. Let's go ahead and get us a little bit of double face tape under this here. Jam. Look at that. Just tucking it down, make sure everything fits beautifully. I may have put the tape under it already. Nope, there it is. All right. Didn't know what I recorded and did not record for this clip. So we got a little bit of double face tape. This style was purchased from the Home Depot as well. I got a mixed bag today just because you never know which style you're going to like on the job site. And these double face tape rolls varied in price, anywhere from $7 a roll to I think $10 a roll. So we got like 2 of each one. Test them out on your job sites when you come across this. Whichever you like, use more of that. And the ones you don't like so much, use them where it really doesn't matter. Now we got our last fill piece in here right now. We get it kind of rough cut into place so it's nice and manageable. And then we're going to go ahead and cut everything down. Once it's cut down, this last piece will go ahead and finish taping everything in, do all the fine-tuned trimming, and then we'll be good to go to grab that check. You know what I'm saying? Now, what can you expect to pay when you start to do this and you decide you absolutely hate it and kind of suck at it and you want to hire somebody? If it's empty and ready to go, figure $2 a square foot to have that rubber gym flooring installed in your home gym. That could vary, you know, by $1 a foot depending upon where you're at. But yeah, a couple bucks a foot. That's a good average price there to figure for that. And then once it's all taped down, we'll do our final trim and tuck on everything, making sure it looks money.
Is the prime suspect as well.
What?
Yeah.
Cut the audio on that.
What?
Told you didn't do it.